Hey guys, welcome back to a super quick video this week on how I make my buttercream. Again, I don't usually wear nail polish, I'm just baking for myself here. Firstly, I'm starting out with 250 grams of butter. I personally use unsalted, but either is absolutely fine. I know some people like to use the salted so that it cuts through a bit of the sugar. You just want to make sure that it's soft enough at room temperature. I put this into my mixer and start mixing it just to break it down from its block shape. Then I tip in 500 grams of icing sugar, which is also known as powdered sugar, just a little at a time so it doesn't all cloud up out of the mixer. Once that's all in, I add a little splash of milk and also some vanilla extract. I then turn the mixer up a bit to beat it until it gets paler and paler. And that is it. Super simple buttercream. It can be a different consistency just based on how warm or cold your butter block was to start with. I use this for filling the cake, and you can also use it to cover a cake too. I'm going to be turning mine pink. All I've done is add a few drops of pink airbrush colour. I find it distributes easier than gels. Super quick and super simple. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss me applying this to a cake in next week's tutorial. Thanks guys, see you soon.